Do you enjoy our YouTube workshops? You're probably wondering, what could be better than viewing top-notch DevRel content for Cassandra, Pulsar, and Astra on YouTube? Why, seeing us in person, of course. As a part of the 2023 Cassandra Summit in San Jose, we are going to be running 3 live and in-person training workshops the day before the summit. That's right, on Sunday, March 12th, at the McHenry Convention Center in San Jose, California, we are going to be running not 1, not 2, but 3 in-person training sessions. That means that you can join us for great in-person sessions like building scalable applications and data models, running cloud-native deployments, and designing solution architectures, Apache Cassandra for architects and data engineers. How can you be a part of this? It's simple. Head out to events.linuxfoundation.org/Cassandra-Summit, register, and sign up for training. It's that simple. That's Sunday, March 12th, the day before the Cassandra Summit, from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., we'll be having 3 live and in-person training workshops. If you work with Cassandra in production, you won't want to miss this. Join us and learn with DataStax developers.